Hey, this is Slap Out Lash Girl Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. And yes, I'm just out of the shower, and I got to thinking about my morning skincare routine and how much I love it. And I want to share it with you today. So come on with me, let me walk you through it. If you're wondering, yes, I just got out of the shower. But I went ahead this morning. I was thinking, oh, I'm going to shave my face. So it's a good time. I usually shave my face like once a week because, you get those peach fuzzies, and then when you go to put your makeup on, you can actually see them. And so I thought, well, if I'm going to shave my face, then I'm going to go ahead and do my skincare like right afterwards, because that's good, because we've sloughed off all the stuff on our face. And guess what? This stuff is going to absorb much better. Now, I do use the Youth Collection by Younique. I love, love, love it. It comes with a cleanser, which has exfoliation in it. Wonderful product. It has a night serum too. And just so you'll know, these things come apart. So you keep this, and then this gets thrown away. If you order another one, you get the new one and you put it back in here. It's the same thing with these two. One's a night cream, one's a day cream. I'm going to use the day cream today because it's daytime, okay? First off, I love rose water, and this is the first thing that I will put on my face today. I just love the way it feels. If you have a lot of redness in your skin, it's great for that. It just feels wonderful when it hits your face. And I've been using rose water for a long, long time. Now, this is Younique's rose water, of course. But you can see that I use it, and I have a brand new one ready for me to open when this one is empty. Now, this is Squaline Oil. Ah, love it. It's a brand new product and that Younique came out with. And it's so, so good for your skin. Yes, I use about that much. I don't know if you can see. Take it around and just put it over your entire face, eyes, under eyes. My under eyes really love this product. And you can see I do not have the best of skin. I have a lot of melasma, which I want to hurry up and kind of take care of. And I don't waste this. I actually put it on the back of my hands, whatever's left. Now, while this Squaline is doing its thing, it's sinking into my skin. It absorbs into your skin. These are the other two products that you can get. They do the same thing. This pops out. You just order a refill, okay? So one of these is night cream. This is night cream. This is day cream. Now, this is what I'm going to use today. But they're two totally different products, okay? This one is more like a gel consistency. I absolutely love it. See it? Oh my goodness. Now this is the day. Look at that. All this goodness on your face. And I'm going to mix a sunscreen with it because that's what I like to do. I like to dab it all over. Yeah, I'm from Alabama. Can you tell? Yeah. So I like to put it right up here. And I love to come underneath my eyes with it and just kind of pat it. Leave it just for a second. And I love Nivea. This is my favorite product. It does have a SPF of 50 plus. So it's wonderful. It works well with this. I use it every single day. Just one little pump. Take it and then just blend everything in. Just like this. Make sure you come over your eyes, under your eyes, down your neck. Whatever's left, put it on your hands. You just can't get enough of this. I can't. I love it. And every time I put it on, it feels so good. My skin says, I can just hear it singing. I can. It feels wonderful. So right now, this would be the time that I would probably go get my coffee, which I already have, because I want this to kind of sink into my skin and just absorb, and just all the goodness goes inside. Let me show, while this is absorbing, let me show you this. This is the cream, the night cream. And see, it is an actual cream. And this does the same thing. You push this, it pops out. I love these. I love these. I think you will too. I have these two items here. This is Younique. This is something brand new. This is an eye serum. This is Natrium. And it is also, it's got peptides in it. It's a wonderful, wonderful under eye cream. So what I like to do is put this first because this helps with the puffiness. This does too, but this is a gel, this is a cream. So I've been playing around with this for a while, and I really do like this product. You can get it at Walmart, but I will link everything, so no worries. This is where I found it, was Walmart. I thought, you know, I'm just going to give it a shot and see. Because I have really, look at that. My under eyes suck. They really do. And now it's, you know, springtime, so all the pollen and stuff really bothers me. And here we go. Let's put it on this side too. And just pat it in. Pat your friend. Sure is. And I let this settle just for a few minutes. Now, if you want to bring it up here, you can. Whatever's left on your fingers. That's not a bad idea. There we go. And this is not very expensive at all. So while I'm waiting for the Natrium to do its thing, I get my coffee. So I have to have that in the morning or I just can't function. Okay, the sun is shining on me, look. This is called Ice Elements, and I've been using it now for about a month. I really, really, really love this product. And it is an eye serum, and it's like a gel, and you don't have to use very much. There it is right there. And now I'm going to put it right over the Natrium. Because the Natrium's been, I let it set for about 5 minutes so it can do its thing. Oh gosh, this feels so good. At one other place, I really like to use this, and I know, you know, it's an eye thing. But if you got all these lines around here, I really like to put it around the lines. Because I'm getting those. There we go. How about that? Now I'm going to go like do my hair, whatever. And I'm going to, because this is it. That's it. That's all that I use. All the products that I use. So now I'm going to go get myself ready. This does, please let it settle just for a little while, okay? Drink you some coffee. Give yourself about 10 minutes to let all of it just kind of absorb and settle. And then I'll be back and I'll show you my finished look as far as makeup and hair. Ta-da! Here we are at a finished look. I'm not perfect by no means, but I do feel better. And I do love this natural looking makeup. I will list everything below for you. Absolutely. Let me close my eyes. Look at that. Gorgeous. Okay, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. Please like and share and click that notification bell. I'm here on Sundays only. And you know what? I'll be seeing you next week. And I really do love doing these little shorter videos, it seems like. This is just so pretty. Look at the glow. Remember now, we started with skincare. Don't forget your skincare. So, so, so important. Because that's what you're seeing, that beautiful glow coming through from my skincare. All right. See you next.